Before we begin today's episode, we want to take a moment to acknowledge the tragic passing of Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili. This is the first and last time we're gonna talk about this. But before anything else, like the rest of the Philippine basketball community, we are deeply saddened by this heartbreaking loss. These are two young men with bright futures, yeah, dreams, families to take care for, who love them dearly, who are no longer with us today. So, as always, our thoughts and prayers are with their families, friends, teammates, coaches, kasi lahat naman involved dito, and everyone in the Ateneo community who continues to grieve. And at the same time, we talked about this, that we hope that a full, fair, and transparent investigation is conducted so that the truth surrounding this tragedy can come to light. If mistakes were made, we hope those responsible are held accountable, kahit sino pa yan. So if lessons need to be learned, we hope they lead to meaningful changes that help ensure something like this never happens again. So today, before any finals rivalry, before any basketball discussion, we remember Rene and Divine. So may they both rest in peace.
Yeah. As members, specifically Nico and I of the Ateneo community, we as well also call, like what Nico said a while ago, for proper accountability, and we hope for Rene, Divine, and their families to find peace as well. And like what Nico said a while ago, this is gonna be something that will be talked about for a while, and deservedly so. So, not just as members of the Ateneo community, not just as members of the UAAP community, but even as basketball fans in general, um, we pray for it all to um, we pray for the proper peace for both families, and we pray that whoever must be held accountable will be held accountable.
Yeah, and it does not have to be instant, you know. What's important, it has to be right. And whoever has to be, punished, um will receive that, um or will have that coming their way. Sad day, sad moment for Philippine basketball. Um so rest in
Yeah,
peace to Renee and Divine.
yeah.
All right. Um,
But oh, sorry.
so
I'm just gonna add this reminder for those. There were people. A lot of people messaged us asking about a game 3 video. A lot of posts on
Yeah.
our page or on our group page, in our IG DMs, YouTube comments, asking us for a
actually,
game three
DMs
video.
madami.
Yeah.
Madami sa
Mm-hmm.
DMs.
Honestly, guys, yes, we did record a video. But it happened on the same day of the passing of the two players. So we decided not to upload it, just so, and we probably will never upload it. We don't feel like it's right for us to be uploading something like that at that time. So we hope you guys understand why there was no game 3 video. And if you're still wondering why we don't, and this is the first time you're hearing kung bakit, that's why. That's why there's no game 3 video. Uh yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's now move on to talking about Game 4 na naparod natin. And congrats to TNT. We gotta give credit to TNT. Tied the series 2-2. They were down first quarter, no? And actually, dagdag ko na rin to, no? Every time there's an award, every time there's an
Told you.
awarding, natatalo yung team, whoever gets the awards, di ba? Tapos dalawang Hinebra. So double down. Talo talaga yung Hinebra today.
Inawardan
Kasi
pa si
it's
Scotty
Brownlee.
sa halftime
Is it
ng
because of the
5,000 points.
5,000
Yeah.
points?
Crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. Just happens, man. Admittedly, you'd think Ginebra was gonna win this game after that first half. They played well in the first half.
Ganda nga ng first half.
Ang ganda ng first half nila. It was really good from RJ in particular was playing well. Um, Justin was playing well. Troy was having his moments as well. Pero yung third quarter talaga yung nagpatalo dun sa Ginebra. And the start of the fourth, I would say. Third quarter and start of the fourth. In the third, they lost everything. They lost their lead. They were down by 7. There was a crucial stretch talaga dun where people were missing their shots that they probably should have made. And then in the fourth, to be fair, it was down to 8. It was down to 8 with Actually, it was down to 10 with like 5 minutes left. It was down to 8 with like 2 minutes left. After being down by 20, if I remember it correctly. But
Mm.
again, errors were made, and this has
We'll get
been.
there. We'll get there.
Yeah, we'll get there. Diba? Three games
We'll
in a
get
row.
there. Sino yung
Yeah,
poster
there.
boy? Mamaya, habot tayo sa poster boy ninyo ah. Pero ano muna,
Woo!
for
All right.
TNT, Jordan
TNT.
Heading finally decided to show up.
Hmm.
His
Yeah,
name's
dude.
Timothy? Jordan Timothy Heading, 29, 5, and 8.
Yeah, dude.
Bro,
Man, I'll be real. Jordan Heading got hot because Hinebra allowed him to get hot for some reason.
Sino
Like,
bang nakasin kay Heading? Yun
RJ.
pala well, yeah. Well, you take the
no,
good and the
even may
bad with
moments
it.
that it was Scotty defending him.
Hindi na
I
eh,
don't,
mainit na eh, no?
I don't get it, dude.
Yeah.
Going under screen after screen, just forgetting that
Mhm.
you're covering Jordan Heading. Like, what are you doing, man? It's just that was really bad. They allowed him to get hot. Yeah, I think it was a stretch in the second quarter where he had 18 or 20 or something like that. I forgot what it was. Then he kept hitting threes because they kept going under the same screen. Troy wouldn't go up on the screen. Jabet wouldn't go up on the screen, and either RJ or Scotty continued to go under. The only time they somewhat stopped it was when it was friggin' Nards Pinto who who was like, oh nga naman, we should go over. That made no sense. Uh, and of course, C-Mac. I think C-Mac deserves a lot of credit in this one. Uh, I'm not sure of his shooting splits. He didn't have great shooting splits in the
He
first
did
half. Eh.
not.
Uh, pero no fourth quarter, siya yung literal na he had the dunk to extend it to 12. He had to 13 or 12, I forgot. He had the three right after, and then he made another. Then he made his two free throws. Like, yun yung moments na parang Hinebra could have had a chance to get the game closer, but C-Mac was hitting his shots. And then BGR. BGR, I think, also played good today. In the first quarter, he hit a three, which I didn't really expect to go in, or second quarter, I forgot. BGR was very good, but the main guy, I think, aside from Heading, of course, yung X factor ng TNT is Mr. Face Card himself, Henry Galinato. Oh my
Reverse
God,
Carters.
bro. For me, Mr. Face Card himself for me, not for Graham. Uh, yeah, dude, si Henry, brother. Uh, it's not even just that he was being big and finishing well. Pero men, pinapasok niya rin yung free throw niya eh. Alam mo yun, like, before, like, kung na-foul mo si Henry, sige, okay lang. May mintis naman yan, dalawa eh. May mintis naman yan kahit isa.
Para siyang ano, no,
And,
poging Mitchell Robinson. Parang
oo,
gano'n.
man. Hey, don't do that to M-Rob, bro.
Ay, ay,
Uh,
ay, 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 ay.
don't do that to M-Rob. But, man, speaking of
Hey
M-Rob,
man, that man's precious, man. Don't let him, don't
Spurs
believe
win
that.
game 4.
Yeah, they will.
But, what is called, man?
Oh, we're going there. Yeah, I feel like the Spurs win game for us. But let's keep it to
Spurs win game
PBA.
4.
Let's keep it to
Yeah.
PBA.
Man, si Galinato, brother, pinapasok niya free throw niya. Hinahassle niya sila Brownlee sa rebound. Hinahassle niya sa depensa lahat. Man, he played so well. He was the first off the bench. Not Kelly. It wasn't Kelly.
Did not even
It,
play.
it wasn't Kelly and it wasn't Kevin Ferrer. It was Henry Galinato. Um, I think he played a big role in this one, and yes, may moments normal Henry Galinato moments, pero he played a good game enough for me to say na he was one of the, if not the X factor aside from Heading for TNT.
Okay, I get the Jordan heading part. Again, hinayaan lang uminit. Parang yung nagpakulukan tubig tapos hinawakan mo, napaso ka. Uy, ba't ako napaso? Siyempre, mainit na yan eh, di ba? Hinayaan nyo na hinayaan si Edding maka 3 points. Under kayo na under sa screen. I get it, RJ is not the best defender. Pero, Troy or Japet or whoever's picking up, dapat, di ba, tutulong ka rin dun sa ball screen. So, I get that. But bro, nobody saw Jason Castro having 14 points tonight and starting for TNT and having +8. I get it, hindi siya yung dating Castro kasi yung dating Castro po kinakaya niyan si RJ di ba? Iiwanan talaga niya sa bilis yan one-on-one. But now he's a tad bit slower pero mas matalino siya and mas composed siya. So I think between him and Heading, I would side with Castro as being the biggest player sa TNT in this game. This will be remembered if TNT ends up winning the championship. This will be remembered as, oh, Castro saved us in game 4, and Castro, and because of that we're able to beat Ginebra once again. So I get that. Again, TNT is so scary because they beat Ginebra na struggling si Calvin of Tana and sa RR Pugoy. Both. Not just one, but both. Both of them had pedestrian games. 12 points for Calvin, 5 points for RR. I get it. RR had 5 fouls guarding Brownlee the whole game. But if they are beating you with their two best scorers na ganun nag-i-struggle, then you have a problem with their defense. Sobrang effective din, Mario, nung ginawa nila. And yung inayaan nila ng inayaan si Brownlee. And the locals were not able to contribute sa first half. I think that was the plan na parang sige, hayaan nyo si Brownlee miscore ng, hayaan nyo burin niya yung record ni Bam Adebayo. What's important is malalak natin si Stephen Holt, malalak natin si Scottie Thompson, di ba? Malalak natin si Japet Aguilar, although that's not a very hard thing to do. We're gonna lock Maya Gray and Ralph Koo and the other guys. And that's essentially what happened. If you look at the box score, if you watch the game, it was once again Justin Brownlee and RJ Barrientos, pero more on Justin Brownlee. So great game plan by Coach Chot. Again, it's very hard to beat this team back-to-back games kasi galing mag-adjust ni Coach Chot talaga. Sobrang
One
hirap
of the
na.
best PBA coaches talaga, if not the
Bro,
best.
sobra
Grabe
talaga.
naman.
I know
Kabisado
the
ng
hate.
PBA talaga eh.
Right now, the hate they get, lalo si Coach Tim. Pa si Coach Leo, hindi niya masolve or ang hindi niya ma-solve si Junmar. Pero, yung San Miguel lang talaga hindi niya matalo Pero si Coach Tim, bro, basang-basa niya talaga. Like, alam niya yung gagawin para malusatan si Coach Tim. And at some point, nakakainis na talaga na
It
dapat
seems.
ahid na tayo dito sa series na to ng 3-1 with the way we started kanina or even the way
Di
we
rin, parang
came back
dikit
in
the whole
game.
time. There was nothing
Yeah,
sure
yeah.
There
with
was
how
no
it
point in
started.
which
There was no
the only
point.
time I felt na may
Dikit
sure na
lang.
mananalo was when TNT was leading by
Yeah, yung malaki na.
20. Ah.
Oo, yung ganun. Yung ganun.
Even when
I
Ginebra
agree.
was leading nung first half,
Yung
like alam
kanina
mo,
wala.
alam mong babawi naman yun Pero like you were just hoping na makakabawi din yung Ginebra, ganun. Pero this when they will do it.
Yeah. We
Same
did
with
not release the Game 3 episode. Pero sure, we did predict na a close game, Mario. Parang
We
dikdikan.
did.
Largest lead of the game was 6.
Yeah,
Alright,
we
good
did.
thing we did not release that.
Yeah, because we would have been wrong.
Yeah. And we both picked Ginebra. So we would have been wrong. But bro, I want to address this TNT shenanigan, brother.
Which one?
Just because you're loud doesn't mean you're right. Not every call against you is a wrong call or a bad call. Parang na-foul si Galinato. They're clapping, they're laughing sarcastically. Hindi na nga umaangal si Henry Because he was clearly committing fouls, but in their minds, dinadaya pa rin sila ng referees. Like, I don't understand it. I don't understand the antics na, just because mas maraming fans ni Lebron, dinadaya nyo kami. Hello, we're in the finals already. What will the PBA gain?
Mind games yan. Just to get into
Yeah.
mind games lang talaga yun.
They got in your head, Graham.
Yeah, they did get in my head.
Sa kalbo, sa nagpa-podcast.
They're lucky. They're lucky I was not there. They're lucky I was not there tonight. All right? And
No, you know who's not
there on
lucky?
Friday.
Stephen Holt, because you weren't there.
Yeah.
Well,
Holt has to see you pala before the game for him
it
to.
is what it is. It is what it is.
Stephen has to
Ba't
see
naman
you.
yung brick mo sa likod? Ay, pinatanggal pala ni Mario.
We lost that.
Natanggal ko yan, man.
We lost.
Come
In
on,
game
dude.
5,
Dude, I've been having I've been having the worst not on the worst. I've been having a really bad 3-day stretch. Like I've been exhausted for the past 3 days because of everything. And Graham wants to put his brief up on the wall. No, man, I'm not.
Can we do that now?
Not even gonna give you the benefit of pissing me off tonight, man. I'm exhausted.
Alright, I know. I'm also pissed off. I'll get to that in a second. Pero man, yun lang yung reklamo ko sa TNT na it's annoying. It's annoying as a fan. Even yung fan base ng San Miguel kasi yung dami account ko kasali sa group ng San Miguel. Naiinis din sila sa naiinis din sila sa ginagawa ni Coach Chot. And I get it na ganun talaga siya. Pero coaching does it. It's not annoying. Di ba? But Coach Chot, it's different. Pero ang galing talaga ng TNT kanina, man. Henry Galinato really deserved his flowers. Talong-talo niya yung si Isaac Go and even Japet Aguilar dun sa ilalim sa banggaan dun. He only had 4 rebounds. It felt like he had
Felt
more.
like more, right?
Pero grabe talaga. Hinahampas na siya kanina eh, 'di ba? Pero nakukuha niya pa rin
Yeah.
yung bola. So that speaks to kung gaano kalalim yung bench ng TNT. Imagine wala pa dito si Poy Eram. So, they could be better kasi Eram is better than Galinato for sure. Tapos the series is still tied 2-2 heading into game 5. Now the pressure is back on Ginebra. Um I'm I'm now I'm now scared. After the game 2 loss, I was not scared. This time I'm scared kasi Castro is back. Si Castro talagang nakakatakot dito sa TNT kasi
Bro,
given na yung iba,
yeah,
'di ba?
go lang. Yung problem with Jason, reason why I was so stressed kay Jason kanina was, man, yung mga in the second quarter, kayang ano eh, Hinebra could have been up by 10 eh. Alam mo yun?
Yung
Hinebra
mga
could have been
tres
up
niya.
by 10 or 8 or mga something like that. They could have.
Comfortably.
You're laging may
Yeah, yeah,
sagot
yeah.
si Jason kasi nung time na yun. Kaya siya scary kasi di makalayo yung Hinebra dahil kay Jason.
Ganda ng laro
Yun
ni
yung,
Jason ng 14 points.
bro,
Yeah, he
ganda
did.
ng laro.
Oo.
Yan
And
yung,
yung
yan yung mga
tama yung
vintage
sinabi ni
Jason
Mario.
games, man. Hmm?
No, tama yung sinabi mo na in the second quarter nung especially nung pumuputok si RJ, siya yung parang okay,
Mm-mm.
may punto si RJ, may sagot ako, 'di ba? Kahit pampatahimik
Oo.
lang sa crowd kasi yung mga puntos ni RJ in the first half spectacular against ng Batak, 'di ba? Kakaiba yung mga
Yeah.
ginagawa niya. Binababoy niya talaga eh. Pero biglang sasagutin ni Castro nung yung mga kilikili shot layup, yung mga pull up
That's why.
three-pointer. So,
That's
yun
why.
yung masakit para sa ng mga tiliran ni Castro. So, you know, we talked about it. Nang Batak heading Castro, push comes to shove, Coach Sot will go to Jason Castro. End of the day.
And he got it right today. He
Yeah,
got it right today. I
that's
mean,
right.
to be fair, what's it called? Heading was number one. So, uh, funnily enough, man, I don't know if you see Reynam Batak back in he just doesn't look.
After this
He had a good
conference.
game today at 10. He was a plus 10. Pero alam mong he can be so much more on
Oh,
maybe another team or something. But yeah, dude, TNT absolutely deserved this win. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. You tried to throw it away. I'm not gonna lie. You TNT tried
parang
to throw it away in the fourth, but you it's the same script. Eh. I'm sorry. It's the same.
every winner, man, tries to throw it
Every
away.
game has been the same script, guys. Like, like Ginebra in game one up by 20, lose the lead, win the game,
Back-to-back
close
fours.
game.
Game
Yeah,
winner, di ba?
TNT game two, TNT up by 20 or almost 30. Ginebra cut it down to 4, TNT still win by 7. Game 3, Ginebra up 20. TNT cuts it down to 4. Then Ginebra still ends
7.
up winning by 12. Game 3 pala yun. Game 4, TNT up by 20. Ginebra makes their run. And then the TNT ends up winning the game. You know what was common between all three games? Game 2, momentum was with Ginebra, John Abbey's turnover, right? Game
Mm.
3, momentum was with TNT, Calvin Oftana turnover. Game 4, momentum was with Ginebra. Guess who? It was another John Ab. Actually, I'll be honest. I don't know sino may kasalanan dun. I don't know if it's Abis or if it's Japet. Kasi when you look at the replay, uh, I think gusto ni Japet ng lob eh. Japet wanted a lob.
Not at that
And
juncture of the game, di ba?
yeah, but then that's why Abis threw that parang tip handoff pass. And to the credit of TNT, I think the one who nakabasa talaga dun si Makala eh. Because I think
Nabasa nga
C-Mac
ni
was the
Macaulay,
one.
yeah.
Yeah, was it C-Mac? Yeah, C-Mac was the one who kind of tipped it away from them. Uh, and man, Abis, bro, if it's you who turned it over, if it's Japet who didn't catch it, I don't really care. Uh, you've shown
Oh, yeah.
you've shown some good flashes, man. Like you've shown actual good flashes. A while ago, you made a three. In game two, you made a three. Uh, but man, those are two pretty. crucial turnovers. And I'm not gonna say na if you converted on it, Hinebra would have won. Most likely than not, you might have still lost. But oh my God, dude, those are just those were just some turnovers na avoidable to say the very least.
Bro, I do not understand why when we're down, it's like Jan Abis is the only guy that can erase the lead. Parang coach, I made a lot of mistakes, a lot of coaching mistakes in the third quarter. How about I put my fixer in, Jan Abis? It's like
Fix
coach team is Jessica Pearson and Jan Abis is Harvey Specter. Like, fix the thing for
Hey,
me.
suits call out.
Diba, man? I don't know, may limit ba yung
Nakikita mo rin
minutes
sila
ni
yung mga
Maya
favorites
Gray?
niya, no? I think he really likes John Abis, which siguro in time naman when he learns.
The next
I feel
Aljon
like
Mariano
magiging
yan, man.
pwede, no? Na smaller, not
Yeah,
na
pero man, si Mariano hindi naman nakakuha ng ganyan minutes nung first finals nila ni Brownlee. All I'm saying is, okay, get it, si Jana Abis has, potential. Pero in the finals, it's like having you know, someone who graduated sa med doing OJT as an eye surgeon sa St. Luke's. You know what I'm saying? Na, all
Wow.
right, your first task is to, you know, do an eye surgery as someone who just graduated. That doesn't make sense. Maya Gray is there. Stephen Holt is there. Um, I'm sorry, but Scotty Thompson is there. He has 5 fouls. He only has 5 fouls. Tapos hindi na ulit siya nakabalik. Same situation in game 2. That's why I'm so annoyed na parang coach team gives up easily when the lead is that big na parang hindi na kayang bumalik. And gigits ko naman yung potential ni Abis pero over the past 2 comebacks na ginawa nila, he put the nail in the coffin. Really. So I'm so frustrated with that. I'm also frustrated with Isaac missing 4 free throws. It's
Oo
hard
nga,
enough
no? He
to
missed 4 free throws kanina.
it's hard enough to to make 4 straight free throws. It's harder to miss 4 straight free throws unless you're again Mitchell Robinson. Pero brother, I'm I think this is a coaching mistake by Coach Tim. Hindi siya nag-adjust talaga defensively, especially when excuse me, when si Heading was heating up, when Galinato was trying his best to get the rebounds, hindi rin siya nag-adjust. The ball screen defense, winnable game. Winnable game, but here we are tied 2-2.
Pinasok niya si
The
Harvey
the
Specter.
yeah, the thing that's going for us, man, is we
Bro,
have
so in this analogy, is John Abis Lewis lit? Na,
Oh.
like he can
oh
fix it.
He
Pero
can
he'll
fix
make a
stuff
small
sometimes.
error na he'll
uh,
need Harvey to
uh,
come in and save it. Alam mo yun? I
Si
watch,
RJ ba
I
si
watch,
Harvey?
guys, I've watched Suits twice.
yeah.
Twice or thrice
Um,
already. Like in full. I don't know. So I love Suits as a series, guys. So
yeah,
don't
pero
mind.
Yung
man,
bagong
I
suits din
mean,
na maganda eh, di ba?
Suits
wala,
LA?
wala, natapos agad yun.
Oo.
Bro, putya, hindi
What if
nga,
we
ano
make
yun,
a
hindi nga,
pop culture episode? Do you think people would want to watch us do a pop
Eh
culture
man,
episode?
siguro sa summer ko wala
uh,
talaga tayong magawa.
yeah, we'll see. Pero bro, hindi nga yan, normal na attorney lang yan pag nilagay mo yun doon sa Suits Universe kasi, rookie lang yun eh.
True,
Pwede mo
yeah.
naman ibalik
No,
si Scotty, di ba? Not even Mike Ross. Who's Mike Ross? I don't know. There's no
I
Mike
don't know.
Ross in Debra. Pero bro, putya andun pa si Scotty. Andun si
Or
Maya.
baka Mike
Maya
Ross si RJ,
played
si
okay.
Harvey yung JB. It's the
Yeah,
both of
yeah,
them.
you're right
Pwede,
about that.
pwede.
Oh,
You're
silang
right about
dalawa.
that. You're right
I like
about
it.
that.
JB is
Uh,
Harvey, Mike Ross is RJ.
Okay, baka
Pwede.
marami di
RJ.
makarelate. Okay, but yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's
Tapos si
make it yung
Arlov
Filipino
si Meghan
version.
Markle. Si Arlov si Meghan
Our
Markle.
love is Meghan Markle. Our love is
Si
Meghan
Rachel Zane.
Markle.
Yeah.
Si Rachel Zane.
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
Yun
yeah.
yung ano ni Mike Ross. Yeah.
Okay.
Pero bro, 'di ba? Yung
Borderline,
mistake na
brother.
yun na nababa mo na sa 10 eh. Again, the pride of kayo yung nagbalik niyan eh, 'di ba? Kayo yung i-stay ko sa floor. It doesn't apply in the finals, I think. So masakit yung pagkatalo, but one thing that's going for us is series is tied uh heading into game 5, and it's our time to adjust. Tayo naman yung may sorpresa sa kanila, di ba? Kasi game 3, tinambakan yung TNT, yung surprise was Jason Castro starting. Who knows in game 4 what's gonna happen, di ba? Maybe John Abbas will start. Maybe Coach Tim will double down and say, this bald guy's
Yeah.
been yapping a lot
Put
about
in
John
Yeah.
Abbas.
Sometimes you need Lewis Litt to start, brother.
Again, it's
Sometimes
not
you need
Louis Litt, man. He's not
Sometimes
Louis Litt.
Lewis Litt is the first chair in the case, man.
Again, it's not Louis Litt, okay? But, brother, I seriously hope na Troy Rosario starts in game 5. Please. I need that. I get it, si Japet nakadaktak agad in the first possession. Nakita ba yun yung alley-oop? From,
Yeah.
was it from RJ or from Scotty? I don't know.
Damn, dude. Si Mark Paez, brother. This is a wild post. I'm gonna approve it just for the fun of it. But
Ano
damn,
tong
brother.
post? Ano post
What
to?
does it say?
Sabi niya Johnny flying A, RJ flopping A. I'm gonna approve
Oh
it.
my God.
Oh.
Ano,
Let's see
just to
what
start a
happens.
conversation?
Oh.
Mga
All
baliw
right.
kayo.
Speaking of RJ, that nickname, the Blitz, man, that has to go. All right.
Bro, bro, Coach Jong, I'm a fan, brother. But that was on that was on Coach Jong Yuchiko, man.
Why?
He
What do
did
you
not.
mean?
Siguro may deal sila ni Kinito na, uy,
Bro, Coach
bakit
Jong was the
pasabi naman?
commentator kanina. Siya yung analyst kanina.
No,
Sa
tatlo sila,
YouTube.
three-man
YouTube tayo
panel,
nanonood eh.
si Kinito
Sa
yung
YouTube, it is
ano.
Coach Jong. Coach Jong. Tapos
Yeah,
he was the one
same
who
YouTube
lang.
ako
said na sabi niya, siya yung nagsabi na walang nickname si RJ. Siya yung
Ah,
nagsabi.
okay. He led Kinito to
Kaya
say
na bring
na,
up ulit ni Kinito. Sakto pa yun, ha? Sakto pa yun. Nakatres si Jason Castro. Sabi ni Kinito, that's the blur. And then sabi niya, partner, kanina, you asked me who was
Partner
what
ka
the
rin.
what the nickname was of RJ Barrientos. He's the Blitz. Tapos nakatres si RJ. Sabi niya,
Bagis
that's the
the
Blitz.
Blitz.
bro, nobody calls RJ the Blitz. Okay,
Except
nobody
him.
outside of the
You
Henson
know,
residences calls RJ
you know,
Abarientos the
I just
Blitz.
understood na um I literally just understood na he named RJ after Jason. I didn't like he
But
based
they
the
play
blitz
different.
off of the
They don't
blur.
play, they play
I'm just saying that's
different.
how he based it.
Yeah, I'm just
That's how
saying, pero
I
for him to do it
yeah.
that way,
Bro,
anyway, whatever. We're
it
nitpicking.
finally clicked in my head kanina. I was like, kaya pala the blitz. Kasi si
By
Castro
the
the
blur.
blur.
What's a good
Doon ko lang
nickname for
naintindihan.
RJ? What's a good nickname for RJ? Do you think?
The
According to this
beard.
guy,
The
Okay,
mustache.
it's not the blitz. Okay, not flopping A, not the blitz. All right, those two have to go. What's a good nickname for RJ?
oh, shout out. Technically, shout out kita, Boss Mark. That technically counted as a shout out.
Yeah.
Wait! Siguro
Tawa ng
mamaya
mga tao yun. Anong flopping eh?
ko na sabihin.
May mga
I
post
don't
pa
know.
naman sa grupo natin na naliligaw sometimes, di ba? Bigla na lang, if you check the reach, di ba guys, 120,000. Bakit
Oo nga
viral
naman.
siya?
Grabe, man.
Di ba? May mga reach
Actually,
120K. So,
hey,
para
if
sumabog
you all
to.
are gonna view the post, join the group, man.
Yeah.
But we
Come
don't
on.
want toxic people, man. Like, dapat,
Yeah,
ano
good.
naman.
Yeah,
Sige,
good.
I'm not
yung
toxic.
admin yung toxic.
I'm not toxic. But what's a
Yeah.
good nickname for RJ? What do you think?
Um,
It's
le- to be fair, isn't RJ already a nickname because his real name is Ron J?
yeah,
So, isn't
yeah. It's still good that, you know.
I don't know.
RJ.
I'm bad at nicknames, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I can
But
give
as
you
long as
one.
it's not the blitz. But yeah, it's deserving, by the way, yung it's the first of many for RJ.
I am BPC.
BPC, yeah.
Yeah.
He's that kind of guy. But
Yeah.
bad loss, winnable game, we're up at the half. We were doing good, man. Dumaylay lang talaga ng third quarter. It was a coaching mistake for me. But here we are again, tied at 2-2. Every TNT finals, we're tied at 2-2 after the first 4 games.
So it always
We
is ano,
always
so it's after game 2 where it becomes like a real series. Na like, okay, something's gonna happen, parang ganun.
Not really. I mean, TNT already went up 2-0 against us. Nakabalik tayo with 2 straight wins. So, it's really the game 5. Actually, it doesn't matter. They always beat us. I hope this time around it's gonna be different. But yeah. By the way, man, it was in the deleted episode. Once again, thank you, Boss Dude Speedy, for
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's what I was
putting
gonna
us
say.
inside the Mall of Asia arena nung Sunday. We thanked you in the game 3 episode, but we're not
Yeah,
able
we
to
just did
upload that.
upload it.
So that's why I
Man,
was there. That's why I was bugging TNT all game long. I was not there tonight. I'll not be there on Friday.
I'm not
But
gonna
yeah.
lie, guys. The game 3 episode when we recorded it, it has a lot of stuff in it that it's fun because Graham was courtside. But again, there's a reason why we didn't upload it. But
Mhm.
yeah, thank you so much, boss dudes. That was one of the best
Oh,
experiences. That was really fun.
thank you ulit. Shout out to Boss Dudes.
Yeah, that was
Oh.
really fun, man. And we're sorry that everyone is now asking you for tickets, boss. We didn't mean to. We didn't mean for that to happen. And additionally, I said this actually in the game 3 episode. I'll just say it again here. For those people who go up to us in the episode
Oh man, we
during the
thank you.
games, like
Yeah.
halftime per quarter, may nagpapa-picture pa habang umiihi si Graham. Di ba, Graham?
Oh,
May,
may
may,
tumabi
may
pa nga
nagpicture.
sa akin eh. May tumabi, bro, yung cubicle walang occupied dun ha. Tinabihan pa ako. Hey, big fan.
Tinabihan ka rin.
Sabi, yeah.
Di ba usually may barrier yung
Mhm.
where you pee? Tapos di ba
Yeah.
tinanggal niya?
Yeah. Boom,
Tinanggal siya.
Tinanggal,
Pero may
sinira
dala,
niya.
may dala siyang screw. May dala siyang screw.
Oh, may dala siya screwdriver. Tapos sabi niya, I wanna see kung talagang red yung brief mo. So,
Yeah.
tinanggal
Now
niya.
you know.
Mamaya
Now
na,
you
bro.
know.
Sabi mo
Whoever
mamaya
you
na.
are. Whoever you are. But yeah,
But
thank you. Thank you.
all jokes
We
aside, guys, thank you so
appreciate
much
it.
for all the love that we get.
Oh, yeah. Madami nag-action the picture and all were
Yeah,
nice.
guys,
Thank you,
Mhm.
guys.
thank you so much. And an additional thing, we aren't used to being like approached for pictures. Maybe Nico. Uh, but Graham and I, we aren't used to it. So if we're a little awkward when it happens, we're sorry.
Hindi pa sila sanay. Masasanay sila in a month.
Like, we're sorry, guys. Like there was this one lady. She commented actually on one of the posts. I forgot your name again. You know what? I'm gonna find it. Give me one
Si
freaking
Roda ba
second.
yan?
Din. Di ako sure actually. Wait, check ko na. Oh
Na,
my God.
you're
Nakapit
not
ko.
gonna find it. It's ang layo na nun, man.
Tanong ko na. Si Catherine. I'm so sorry.
Catherine.
Bro, she was waving at us and I was like, I don't know if you're waving at me or someone and ayoko maging I didn't want to be a feeler so I just
Lagyan natin sa
smiled at
pinned
you.
comment natin. Shout out to Boss Dudes at shout out to Catherine.
Dude, yeah, and
Sa
boss
pinned comment na lang.
Edwin,
Can you
Edward.
like put it down? Can you like write it down for in
Yeah,
our
I'll
group
write it
chat?
down
Para,
somewhere,
in
guys.
our
I'm
chat
sorry.
na lang para I can pin comment it.
Yeah. And there's even
Bro, but
somebody, but nag-order lang tayo ng Coke. May lumapit na sa atin, di ba?
yeah. Bro, meron
Nasa-
akong tip sa'yo pag ganun, whenever someone approaches you, or you're not sure, you just say, hey, nice shirt. You know. You gotta
Why
win.
would you say that? What if they don't
Para,
care?
bad,
What?
bad advice.
What? What?
Hindi
What?
ko gets. Ano nangyari?
That was
Parang,
such
no,
bad advice.
si Mario kasi was not sure if Catherine was, smiling at him, di ba, or not. So, what if sinabi mo lang kay Catherine, hey, nice shirt. Is that
Ayun na,
a,
nagsimula ng
is,
labanan
is that
sa
a,
Johnny A. Post.
It's a plan.
okay.
Nag-ano ng mga tao?
Hey, game 5
Bro,
predictions, brothers.
wait lang. Last ko lang. Sabi ito ni Brother Louis, sabi niya. I think it's safe to assume that in the next draft, Ginebra needs a quality big. Brother, welcome to 2025.
Ano to?
Welcome
Ano
to
to?
the
Ano to? Ano to?
2020s, man.
Saan to?
Sabi ni Boss Luis, I think it's safe to assume that in the next draft, Ginebra needs a quality big man.
Oh,
Welcome to the 21st century, brother.
we have been in need of that since the C-Stan trade,
Yeah, dude. Like, brother, there's a reason why we've been begging for Mike and Q. This ain't nothing new. By the way, he called Isaac old. Isaac's not old, okay? Isaac's pretty young. Isaac, go!
He's younger than me.
Oh, see, so you just called Nico old. Luis, you just called Nico old. Oh man, which means you called Graham old because Graham is like 10 years older than
I
Nico.
am actually not. My
Yeah,
hairline is. Hey, let's
hairline
do it.
wise. Yeah,
Game 5
hairline wise.
prediction, man. We
Okay,
got
let's
Nico.
wrap it up. Grandma sa meeting.
Nico.
TNT.
Thank you. Thank
He
you. No
did
one
it.
has to
The
sacrifice.
Black Vans are
He did
outside.
He did it. He did it. He did it. He got the memo. He got the memo.
Ano,
How
Calvin
many?
Oftana, hindi na ako bago dito. Calvin, hindi na ako bago
Oh,
dito. Oftana will have a 25 piece. 25 lang. I don't think he can do 30.
Wow. Calvin, hindi ako bago dito. Wow. You even named it. Uh, shit. Um, um,
If
I
you know, you
got
I'm
know.
actually,
If you know, you know.
I'm actually afraid
Nasa archives yung
that's
game 3
gonna
natin
happen.
eh. Kaya parang, if you
uh,
know, you know.
if you
Calvin,
know,
hindi
you
ako
know.
bago dito. Oftana.
It's
Yung,
Calvin. Calvin, coach, isang mali lang naman
yeah.
off tan.
Sorry, nagkamali lang. Calvin, nagkamali lang. Oftana.
Yeah.
Magaling
Well,
Calvin,
na
walang
mamaya.
yung
maling ginawa off tan. Not
yung
Calvin.
game 3 episode natin was the Wilt Chamberlain 100-point game. You're never
Yeah,
gonna
You'll
see
yeah,
it.
yeah.
never see it.
You're
You
never
guys will
gonna see
never
it.
see it. You guys will never.
Yeah.
I-post
Honestly,
Mario,
nga natin after game 7.
no, we're gonna post it.
that'll be funny.
Actually,
We
the
That'll be funny
archives.
actually.
Lagyan natin the archive. Post, hindi,
we're
let's
gonna
just
put it
change
on.
the title
So
to
here's what's gonna happen, guys. Right?
Mm.
So we're gonna make a secret account. We're gonna make
Hanapin
a
niyo.
secret YouTube account, and you guys have to
Hanapin
find
niyo.
it. You
Yeah.
guys have to
Dude,
find
people
it,
really
man.
look for it though. These guys reach the end. A lot of people reach the end.
For the last 8 people watching this part where we just randomly
Last
blurt
eight.
out. Yeah, for when we just randomly just start speaking whatever we want to say. What's this called? Medyo laughter to isa. Nag-nickname din siya para kay Boss Kinito. Sabi niya, Kinito the Cringe Henson. That's insane, dude.
I'm not gonna speak about that. I don't know. I
That's
don't wanna speak about that.
insane, dude.
All
Hey,
I'm
man,
saying
put
is
some respect on
The
Kinito's
Blitz is
name,
corny.
man.
Who you got, Mario?
Uh, do I have a choice? I'm going with Hinebra. I'm going with Hinebra. Uh, Hinebra in a close game. Hinebra in a close game.
All right. I think we win by 8. Nebra Inebra wins by 8. I'm expecting a 40 piece from Brownlee. Favorite niya yan eh, yung mga game 5. Talagang
Favorite
dyan niya
niya.
Favorite niya yan, yung mga game 5 swing game. Dyan talaga siya kadalasang pumuputok. And Scotty. Beware of Scotty Thompson in game 5. He's one of the best game 5 players I've ever seen. So, I believe in him. I believe in us. Please, please. The cake, the props are already here. Just win it, Ginebra. Just win it. 3-2 after Friday.
Oh, yeah, it's time pala. 3-2. Ako, 3-2, 3-2. Kayong dalawa, Ginebra, 3-2. And then,
Yep.
sana mag-game 7. Okay, yun lang naman guys.
I
Thank you
don't
so
want
much
a game
for
7.
listening.
Wait lang. Additionally, guys, I know we only went with boss dudes. But if there are other people who want to
Yeah.
send us tickets, man,
Hey, I don't mind if I do.
we're not gonna say no. We won't say no.
Yeah.
Right. Courtside, VIP, lower box, anything. And additionally, again, I think at this point, kung kanina walo, this is like 3 na lang natira dito sa dulo. For the 3 of you left here, if you guys have a way to get BTS tickets, please let me know, man. I'm in dire straits right now, y'all. I would appreciate something right now. That's all from me.
Okay,
Alright.
follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Tawag dito. See you guys next time. See you on Friday
Friday.
for Game 6. Peace.
Adios, amigos. NSD, please.